PlayStation Network services. Restored after hours-long outage. Sorry for the inconvenience. Good news for all the gamers out there. PlayStation Network services have been restored, the company says. After an hours-long network outage left users offline and frustrated, PSN has been restored. PlayStation said in an update shortly before 7 p.m. ET Saturday. You should be able to access online features without any problems now. The company did not state why services had been disrupted, and apologized to users for the inconvenience. USA Today reached out to Sony, PlayStation earlier on Saturday, about the network outage, but did not receive a response. On Friday night, the PlayStation Network, which connects friends to play games online on Sony PlayStation game systems, was hit with an outage and remained offline for many users through most of Saturday. We are aware some users might be currently experiencing issues with PSN. The network had posted around 8 p.m. ET Friday on X, the social network previously known as Twitter. It directed readers to the network's status page, which on Saturday said, some services are experiencing issues. You might have difficulty launching games, apps, or network features. We're working to resolve the issue as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience, the page said. Users might also be unable to buy products on the PlayStation Store or watch PlayStation video content, the page said. The network's status page now reads, all services are up and running. Thanks for ruining this. A few commenters said they had been able to connect to PSN on Saturday morning, but most on X and Reddit said they were still offline. Players from the US and other regions across the globe, including the UK and Australia, also said they were unable to connect to PSN. Many players ready for a weekend of online games were disappointed. Friday night is my game night with a couple buddies, thanks for ruining this. One person posted on X. Since many video games now require online connections, and some consoles don't play games on discs, players often couldn't play games solo either. I can't play any offline games I own because my PS5 can't verify I own it, said another. Krispy Kreme free donut giveaway to soften PlayStation Network outage. Krispy Kreme took the opportunity to treat gamers with free donuts by giving away free, original glazed donuts from 5 to 7 p.m., Saturday evening nationwide. The giveaway is a sweet relief for gamers who have been forced offline during the outage, the company said in a statement to USA Today. PlayStation Network outage, I have nothing to do with this. On X, where PlayStation was the number 2 trending topic, some users commented they had gotten messages that the network was undergoing maintenance. Players from the US and other regions across the globe, including the UK and Australia, posted on X and Reddit that they were unable to connect to the PlayStation Network. Well, it's the morning and my kids think I rigged the PlayStation not to work because they are only allowed to play on weekends. Now it's the weekend. I told them I have nothing to do with this, posted one commenter on X. For many players, the outage brought back memories of a PlayStation network outage in 2011. Sony kept the network down for over a month after hackers compromised the service, exposing the personal data and credit card information from 77 million accounts. Down Detector, which tracks network outages, said it had gotten more than 640,000 reports as of early Saturday. By Saturday around 7 p.m. ET, Down Detector said on X after over 24 hours and nearly 1 million total reports, PlayStation users are finally starting to report access to PSN servers.